So how do you remove the background music from audio in the Android? So we have a few options, right? Let's say that the audio is part of a video. Well, in that case, you can go ahead and download a app like CapCut, for example, which allows you to import your clip into a project and perform so many different edits. So you can technically just start a project like that and tap on the clip. And from the options below, you can find so many different options, right? So you can see that you can just lower down the volume altogether, which means that every single thing, like the video will become quiet technically. So if you want to, you can go ahead and perform this because you will then get rid of any kind of audio at all. So this is one option on how you can do this. Using this app, you also have more options regarding the sound. So you can, for example, click on enhance voice, and if there is a voice in it there and some background music, it's going to enhance the voice so the music kind of fades back a little bit. You also have the isolate voice, which is something that you might be interested in as well. So let's say that you are like talking to your phone, like recording a video, and there is some background music and background sound. You can click on this option and decide that you only want to keep the voice and get rid of the background. This is actually part of the pro features of the CapCut app, meaning that you will need to get the subscription, but I believe that you can try it out for free. So I hope you're going to be able to do this. So these are the main options. Outside of that, you of course have more apps inside of the App Store. So you can go ahead and open up the Google Play and there just look up some kind of remove background audio, and you can see some apps available for this specific purpose. So there are plenty of them, so go ahead and give it a try to see if it meets your needs. And I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Subscribe for more so you never miss anything important, and I'll catch you later.